This is the entrance to the Goldbug Hot Springs, and we have to traverse that, and it's not going to be easy.
Morning.
Are we ready?
I am.
Okay, well, let's do it.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine.
Hiking to Goldbug Hot Springs, and there's cactus along the route. It's winding us back in here a bit. It's a cloudy day.
Big clouds over the sun right now.
But yeah, once we get there, the sun can come out and it will be fine.
Okay, well, this is the trail to Goldbug. And of course, the camera does not do it justice, but we literally have hiked along this ridge, and the parking lot's way down there. You have to do an extremely steep, I'm not exaggerating, probably a good 4 or 5 switchbacks. Now it leveled out where fear factor is well gone, but let's get us back in here, okay? Still hiking up this valley. And that's the trail. Fun, huh? I think I'm gonna put the phone down because I'm not really sure where it goes. Alright, well, this is just off trail a little bit. Found a nice little campsite. You can't really have fire, so but it's got a sweet little pool here down from the hot springs, and I am seriously anticipating this being very warm in our campsite. Let's check it out together, shall we? Ooh, it's pretty deep. Let me get a feel of this. Oh, well, I'm going to say it's definitely warm enough to sit in, but it's not a hot spring. But it is beautiful.
Still heading up. It's a steep climb. Can't wait to get there. I might need cold springs. That's our trail. And those are the views. I mean, wow. It is gorgeous. We made it up here, and whew, here we go. Look at these.
Water's like 90.
Hot Springs. All the water you see coming down through here, it's like 90 some degrees. It's so nice.
After carrying your pack that far?
And it's really not that sulfur. Yeah, we carry our packs a mile further. Now we have to carry them back to find camp. But this is Goldbug Hot Springs. And this is the view from where you sit.
Shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search a meaning. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, it's your
Freaking Goldbug Hot Springs.
time.
It's very relaxing. Climb to the top, and way up there is very big pools. These are single pools, like enough for a couple, and they go just all the way through here. I mean, it's just truly amazing. You can sit in those, and waterfalls just come right down on you. It just keeps going all the way down. If you go to the top, there's giant pools up there where like 10 people can sit in them and stuff. They're 100 degrees. Oh, all right, later. Well, I'm not sure I got this the first time up or down, but coming back down our last time, and this trail is, I mean, it's just a rock slide. It's just a rock slide. You have to be so careful. It's just, you will just fall. It just keeps going all the way down. Later.
Look at him scramble down there like a mountain goat. It's pretty darn rocky. I wish I was a mountain goat right about now. Just came down from Goldbug Hot Springs. Just to give you an idea of where you have to go to get there, it is actually up in there. You have to go way up in there. So there's a bunch of switchbacks that takes you back down to here. It's worth the trek though. We enjoyed it. But we do say it was probably a little bit harder than we thought. But we loved it.
Steep.
It's so beautiful out here.
It is so steep. We need
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search a meaning. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time. Keep fighting, even if you drift and fall. Look down now and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars.